Hi, my name is Brooklyn, and I've worked at BioClean for about 10 months now, and I am the project support coordinator. One of the first big projects I worked on at Bioclean was updating our website and creating an internal and client-facing app. We used to hand out these paper roadmaps that showed all of the steps from start to finish the whole project, and with handing out papers, of course these got lost, and without communication from all of the project managers updating with the client on what steps they were, the client had a hard time keeping track just on their own. So we had the idea to make it digital. Project managers didn't have to pick up the phone and call every time there was a small update. They can visually show it on the roadmap by just updating the step, hitting save, and then the clients are also aware of those changes. This app also allowed quick communication between project managers and clients because they can message each other through the app and see when they log on their whole chain of conversations. So there's no flipping through emails, trying to check texts and different forms. It's all in one place for the client to look at. And same with the project managers, they can go in and they can look and see exactly what the client sees to make sure there's no miscommunications there. The app also allows us a lot of internal organization, including one big feature was tracking keys. So all crews have QR codes, and there's QR codes posted in the office and around our shops that allow staff to scan and then keep track of all the keys that we have. They're labeled under the project, and then we can label which location they're at, or if a subtrade has checked it out to go, like a plumber or an electrician, to take the keys to go to a job site. It also is used to track all of our vehicles and fleet maintenance. So all of our fleet vehicles are on the app, all of their information that we need for insurance or any other purposes. Along with all of our crews are required for health and safety to fill out a vehicle inspection form before they leave the shop each day and when they return. All of those are easily found on the app. They have QR codes for each fleet vehicle that takes them straight to the correct unit folder, so everything is organized and easy. If for whatever reason we need to go back and look at them, we have an audit trail. Another feature that is found on the app is the list of all of our subtrades. So any subtrades or subcontractors that we've worked with, or different organizations like E360, for example, who has our dumpsters here at our shop. All those information is in emails, actual location of their shops, or phone numbers of different people that we need to contact with these companies are all also listed and can be assigned to the projects. On our main dashboard, which is the main front page for the app on the internal side, on that we have all the projects that have been added and are active. On those you can assign subtrades, so then other crew members know also who is working on those job sites. One challenge I did find with making the app was I don't know a lot of the technical lingo that Base44, which is the platform I use to create our app, uses. This meant that when I was trying to communicate with the app and add different features in, I was using things like when I made the roadmap, I referred to each of the milestones as steps, and they're labeled step 1, 2, 3, all the way to the end. Base44 considered step 1 as actually stage 0. So at the beginning there was a lot of, when those steps needed to be rearranged or added, a lot of confusion on why there was multiple duplicates. Another thing is this is the first step I've ever developed or even looked at developing. So it was a lot of trying to find a program that was user-friendly enough that someone without a lot of technical background could figure it out, and also able to quickly do updates and fixes as they are needed. There wasn't the first idea with the app was mainly to have that client-facing roadmap that can be updated, and then all these internal features were developed later, months later, and it was quick, easy, and typically by end of day, if I start working on a feature at the beginning of the day, crews are able to use it by the end of the day. Moving forward with the app, a lot of the new updates and changes are going to be more format and template looking, so everything looks like it's all one program, one app, and also just make it as easy for crews out on the field to find everything. I'm making sure that all the features that are added fit on not only a desktop, but also work on everyone's mobile devices, so it's easy wherever you are to log on and find what you need. And if you've had any experience dealing with a restoration project that has left you stressed out because of lack of communication or missing information, please share it below in the comments and let us know what information you like to hear from your project managers during your restoration projects.